Hi fellas, my name is Lola and I will show you how the awning works. So first of all, you need this stick right here. This stick you will find in the back of the van, usually in the garage. So we start by first closing the door. The sliding door always has to be closed. Next thing we do is we pop this thing right here in top, so you make sure that it gets attached well, and then we start turning. You start at around more or less 50 centimeters. You can also leave the pole clicked inside. Next thing we do is we open the pegs. The pegs are basically the legs of the awning. So we can start right here. We click this part open until one peg comes out. Then we place it on the ground, let it slide to the floor. We place it a little bit to the front. We secure it by lifting this lever. Make sure you push it good upright because it can get quite stuck sometimes. Then we do the second one. There we go. And we secure it. Then second, we keep rolling out. That's already a little bit more to the front. And then basically we just keep moving the legs. Basically, you repeat this step until you have the desired length of the awning. To close the awning, we do basically everything reversed. So we start with the pegs. This one here, we'll bring it to the back. The other one. All right, from here we can start folding in the legs. We click this one down. We bring this one up, and then we lock it back inside. Click this to the left, and then we do the same on the other one. And then we close it back inside. Voila, now it's firmly closed. And then again, we pull it out and then we put the pole back in the back. There you go, ready to start. Adventure awaits you.